3 3/8.
So today David is working on finishing up the deck. We're almost finished. Our son Joshua put the railing up.
I want to make sure that this one here, is this from here to here is exactly the same as on that side when I start, so that all of them will be right. That one might be a politician.
Honey, that's not fair to say. Just because, well, right, if something is crooked, it's not always a politician. It could be.
Kids had when they were little. That's not fair. Well, there's nothing unfair about it. It's just you don't like it. Because you don't like it doesn't mean it's not fair.
David's wise words. This is our Rehab Homes lawnmower. We use this and a push mower, but I can't start this one up by myself. David has to start it up. Oh, okay, so you're making a railing down here.
So if that fits.
And then you have 2 boards screwed in, and then you have 300 to go. Okay, our son helped David finish the deck yesterday. All the wood is down. It looks so straight and even. They did such a good job. Make a difference with the widening of the steps down to the deck. We have this fire pit here, so we cleared off all the weeds and grass around it, making it look neat. Our 2 sons, Joshua and Colin and David, are painting the deck, the porch railings and the deck today on Labor Day. So this is how far the shed is to the house. It's way back here, which is nice. So we took up the old floor because there was a really big hole out here. So we took that off and it's going to put down some, what are you putting down?
Plywood.
Plywood.
Oh goodness, that big one.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Been reaching my hand under there and pulling it up. And you stick your fingers
Ooh.
right into one of those.
Right in a slug.
It's about gross.
We still have wood that we need to get rid of. Some people have come to pick some up. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the rest of the wood.
That was a big one.
You need to, you're burning that?
Water break.
Yeah. So Opal's pulling out the nails and Emma's putting them in the wheelbarrow.